English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to the English we speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Rob.
Hey Rob, have you ever wondered what you'd be doing if you weren't here?
Lying on the sofa, watching TV, I expect.
No, Rob, I mean in your career. If you weren't a talented presenter like you are.
I'd be a financial whiz kid, investing in the stock market, making loads of money.
A whiz kid? You mean someone young, very clever and successful at doing something?
Yep, that's a whiz kid. I don't know why I didn't do it.
Do you want me to tell you?
No. Let's just hear about some other whiz kids who are young, intelligent and successful, just like me.
My nephew is a computer whiz kid. He earns a fortune fixing people's laptops.
Our new financial whiz kid has come straight from university and he's doing really well.
She was a whiz kid at university, so it's no wonder she's now a partner at one of the top legal firms.
So, they are whiz kids, clever, successful or skillful people. And most of all, they are young, like kids. And that's the problem, Rob.
There's a problem?
Yes, you're not young anymore.
OK, clever then.
I'm not so sure about that.
All right. Successful. 1 out of 3 isn't bad.
Well,
OK. Perhaps I'd never be a financial whiz kid. Maybe I'll stick to my other plan.
which is?
Sitting on the sofa, watching TV. I'm off to do it now. Bye.
Not a whiz kid then, just a lazy man. Bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.